Hi everyone, and welcome to Arcade Treasure Center. Well, it's good to be back because I was on vacation and I was gone for about 10 days, and I really enjoyed the time. Went and saw my kids, had a wonderful wonderful Christmas dinner, and saw with my oldest son and my oldest daughter. Went to both those houses. Christmas Eve we had a big wonderful Christmas dinner, and then Christmas Day we had another big Christmas dinner. So I looked like Santa Claus and gained a few pounds. But anyway, the whole premise of this video that I started was that I went to turn my eBay store vacations off, and everything went fine. I updated all the listings, everything went fine, but I had one problem, and I'll show you about it. All right, instead of saying I'll tell you about it, I said I'd show you about it. What I wanted to show you was my very last listing. This came up. It says Samsung Galaxy Watch smartphone. It says EU and a price amount. And when you click on it, it's got my store name, but it's in euros, and I don't even sell that watch. It says it's coming from where we live. It's got my store ID, everything there. It's even got a description. Samsung Galaxy Watch and all this stuff here, but I never listed it. What's it doing on my store? I don't know. So I tried to delete it, and look, and then this pops up, which I believe is German, but I'm not positive. But it's asking for an email and password. Well, on mine, this is a Mac computer, so I've got it set to fingerprint touch. It won't even let me change it. And when I looked up for passwords, it won't even show passwords. So this isn't me. And this up here definitely isn't me, this eBay person, whatever. I don't know. I'm not sure which language this is in exactly for sure. One of the European ones. So I'm getting ready to call eBay and see if they can delete that off there, because I'm not selling it. It's listed. If it's sold, somebody's not getting it. But I'm going to call eBay and see what happens. And I'll tell you about what happens afterwards. All right, so I just got through talking to eBay, and they were very helpful, very quick to answer the phone, and took care of it right away. I did have to go to a couple different departments before getting to the right person. It was a fraud department, obviously. And there's a eBay fraud or scam, and what it is someone got onto my account. I'm not sure how they did it. I'm not a crook or a thief, so I don't know how some of these people do the things they do. But they got onto my account and they listed an item. Now, what would have happened is if I didn't notice that and someone had purchased that item, it was set up for a different PayPal account, which meant the money would have gone to that other PayPal account, and then I would have been stuck trying to figure out, well, now how do I sell and ship this item? Or obviously I don't have it. So basically, these people would have got their money, and I would have been stuck trying to get a hold of the customer and tell them I don't have this item, and try to explain to them about this fraud account. And an eBay buyer would have been, yeah, right, okay, you just didn't want to sell me the item, you didn't have it, it's not in stock, whatever the case. So if you're an eBay seller, be sure you're randomly at different times going through your account and looking for items that aren't listed. And that one was a dead giveaway because I'm in the United States, and that one was in Europe, and it was a dead giveaway when I relisted the store. And I'm guessing that's what the scam or the fraud is that when you go on vacation, they go and probably have this, I don't know, this algorithm or whatever that goes through and searches for people on vacation. So when they come back off of vacation, it'll list that item. And if you're not paying attention, and like I said, it sells, then they're getting the money and you're getting stuck with the problem. So fortunately, I got it. eBay took it. The fraud department saw it, took it, and eliminated it and blocked the person from being able to do that. The only thing that I had to do at my end was change all my passwords, which I've done. I've changed them on my eBay and PayPal, and went ahead and did my email and all that stuff. And it's not a big deal. Not for not having to deal with a kind of a hassle. So fortunately, that was all that happened. And like I said, if you're an eBay seller, Go through your stuff, look through your items. If you've gone on vacation recently or plan on going on vacation, when you come off of vacation settings and you refresh everything, just go through and make sure that everything that you have listed is what you're supposed to have listed. Well, I hope that helped. I hope this little video helped you out a little bit. So thank you very much. I know it's a short video. There's not much going on. Like I said, I just got vacation, so that's it. I'll do a what sold video here down the road after I sell some items from coming back from vacation. But I appreciate everybody watching, and y'all take care. And to all the resellers out there, remember, find it, sell it, profit. Take care, y'all. Bye-bye.